What's up, guys? Got another Amazon review for you today. Nice little travel safe. Super portable, but also if you need to mount on the wall, they actually include the screws there to do that. It comes with the 2 keys, obviously. But yeah, super convenient, super travel, so that way if you wanted to travel with extra money, your passport, maybe a pistol or a gun, anything of that nature. I mean, it'd fit in here. Open it up here, give you a nice little peek inside. So cash, keys, phones, it's super simple, super easy. You can see here the holes where you can mount that onto the wall. And also it has the cable included here, so that way if you wanted to secure something there, all you have to do, hook it through here. Make sure that the metal piece is inside the physical safe, so that when you close it, you cannot pull it out. Lock it here. Super simple, super easy. Take it on the go, train, just super simple, super easy. It goes on and on. I'm gonna throw some more stuff in here so that way no one can steal it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.